In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and optimize your SEO efforts using a comprehensive approach. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of SEO optimization together. Our journey starts with importing SEO data. This foundational step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the strategies we'll apply later. So make sure you have all relevant data compiled and ready, pulling in information from various tools or platforms you might be using, such as Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Moz. This data typically includes keywords, traffic metrics, and other relevant SEO performance indicators. Having all this data in one place will provide you with a complete picture of where your website currently stands. Once we have our data in place, it's time to make sense of it. To do that, we move on to the use of analysis nodes to check keywords. Think of analysis nodes as smart checkpoints within your data flow. They help you break down complex data into digestible insights. Start by focusing on the core keywords that drive traffic to your website. These nodes allow you to identify trends, such as the keywords that are performing well and those that may need more attention. By analyzing these metrics, you can establish which keywords are successfully drawing in your audience and which ones might benefit from a different approach. Keep an eye on variations and long-tail keywords as well. These often present hidden opportunities to refine and enhance your content strategy further. Next, let's turn our attention to automating content suggestions, a game changer when it comes to scaling your SEO efforts. Once your keyword analysis is complete, automation tools can significantly streamline the process of generating content ideas. These tools typically use artificial intelligence or data-driven insights to suggest new content topics that align with your existing traffic patterns and keyword performance. This not only saves time, but also ensures that your content remains relevant and engaging for your audience. Be sure to review these suggestions judiciously. While automation provides great ideas, adding your unique perspective is key to resonating with your target audience. Once your SEO strategy is firing on all cylinders, the final step is to export reports. This allows you to consolidate your findings and share them with stakeholders or team members. Exporting detailed reports ensures that all your hard work is documented and can be easily referenced in the future. Make sure these reports include all the crucial metrics you've analyzed along the way, from keyword performance to content engagement stats. Not only does this provide a snapshot of your current SEO health, but it also lays the groundwork for future optimization efforts. And with that, you now have the tools you need for successful SEO management. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full potential of SEO, driving more traffic, and ultimately achieving your digital marketing goals. Thanks for tuning in and happy optimizing.